Welcome Ultimate DIYers to another tool review. Today I've got something very interesting. This is the supposedly it's the new type caulk gun that when you release it, you don't have to release a button in the back so that it keeps pressure on it and keeps squirting caulk everywhere. Supposed to make it really easy. Comes with a little clip to hang it up. It has a back entrance where you don't actually stick the caulk in that way. You stick it from the front, and it has a clutch. This is the clutch. When you pull the clutch back, you'll see that it actually opens wider. So you'll take your caulk and cut off the end where you want it, and then we're going to take and pull the clutch back and insert the caulk, just like so. Now we're supposed to be ready to just start caulking. I've already got some backer rod in this great big seam here, and we're using Big Stretch, which is an extremely good caulk, and we're below the surface, so we're going to try this and see how it works. So far, not so good. I don't think I had it all the way. There it is. Oh, extremely smooth. Doesn't put a whole lot out at one time, though, I can tell you that. I think it's because you have to keep pushing it back. There we go. Okay. See if it does that again, or if I have to keep pushing. Well, seems to do it now. Maybe it just wasn't taking. Now this is a lot of caulk because this is a big seam, and this is a special caulk made for this type of seam, so it's going to look a little messy till I run my finger down through it and smooth it out. Okay guys, I thought that would be the end of the video, but it wasn't. I went ahead, there's a bunch of posts that way and all these posts that go this way. I ended up going through 24 tubes and put the SILIGUN to the test. And I'm going to tell you, I was kind of disappointed. It made it to about 8 tubes and then it sunk. Didn't even really make it to 8. Probably around tube 4, it started struggling a little and it wasn't cutting and pushing back the tube. If you look inside, you will see that there is a cutter here. So as you push this lever, it pulls the tube back this way and the cutter cuts. Well, this little silver part on here picks up plastic, and I can see plastic on it, but I cannot get it out. So I ended up throwing this thing down and going back to a regular caulk gun, and it was amazing how fast it worked. Remember how much trouble I had with this particular one? Just getting the caulk on there. I didn't have that problem with a regular caulk gun. So the SILIGUN, you'll be silly if you spend your money on it. Don't do it. Just save your money and get a regular caulk gun instead. So until next time, we'll see you later. Adios. So until next time, adios. So save your money and don't buy the SILIGUN. Don't be silly. Save your money. So save your money and don't be silly and save your money. Do not buy the SILIGUN. Buy a regular caulk gun instead. We'll see you on the next one.